In today's video I will tell you about the 3 best high RPM YouTube channel niches. If you make videos above these 3 niches, you can earn $10,000 plus per month. Waste much of your time. And I will also give you live proof of these niches, that how much RPM you will get on these niches. That is, how much YouTube will pay you for 1,000 views. So watch this whole video. First we have to understand what is RPM and CPM, then I will give you channel idea. First of all, CPM means cost per impressions, that is, how much money the advertiser is spending on 1,000 impressions, so it is called CPM. RPM mean revenue per mile, it means how much money you will get per 1,000 views of your video. If your CPM is $4, then your RPM will be $1, that is, you will get $1 for 1,000 views. So now you must have understood what is RPM and CPM, so I will tell you the RPM along with the niche. The first niche is historical facts. First of all, watch this channel. This channel makes videos on historical facts. This niche will get millions of views. If you watch its latest video, it has almost 600,000 plus views in 24 hours only, and his popular videos have 23 million views. On this niche, you will get $5 RPM. This channel has 16 million views in the last 30 days, so if we calculate its earnings, it is almost $70,000 that this channel is earning monthly. And it has got 60,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. Second YouTube niche is food. First of all, watch this channel. This channel makes videos on food. If you make videos on this niche, you will get millions of views on this niche. And its popular video has 40 million views. So on this niche you will get RPM is $10. So you have got 24 million views on this channel in the last 30 days. So if you calculate its earnings, then this channel is earning $24,000 monthly. This channel has 40,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. So if you make videos on food, your channel will grow very quickly. And what I am going to tell you is the third niche. On this niche you are going to get very high RPM. The name of this niche is Forex Education Video. First of all, check out this channel. This channel teaches Forex trading. You see here that the views are also quite good on this channel. And if you talk about its RPM, on top of that the minimum RPM you will get is $15. That means you will get $15 for 1,000 views. If you make a video above this niche, and you get 1 million views, you will earn about $15,000 for just 1 million views. So what I have told you below are the best and high RPM niches. The RPM I have given you is the estimated RPM, but you can get higher RPM. If you like the video, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you can get such and new videos.